Hello everybody, it's Monday the 5th of July and this is your English lesson for today. And we're going to start with some handwriting and looking at some spellings. And today the spellings we're looking at are confusing words with O-U-G-H in. And looking at how the O-U-G-H can make different types of sounds. It's quite a tricky one to learn, this one. We'll see how we do as long as we try our best. And you'll need paper and pencil and we'll get started. To begin with, we'll practice our handwriting and we're looking at joining the letter V. So you've got 5 different joins there. I'd like you to pause the video and neatly as you can have a go at these 5 different joins. Next part, can you add the letter pattern VE to the end of these words and what words do they make? Again, can you join all of your word together? And the last part of our handwriting for today is can you add VA or VO to these words using your neat handwriting? And what words have you created? Pause the video and have a go at these. So today we're looking words with the O-U-G-H in. And words that contain the letters O-U-G-H can sound very different. For example, here the word O-U-G-H makes the sound O as in though. In this middle one, here the O-U-G-H letters make the OO sound as in through. And here the O-U-G-H letters sound like off as in cough. So there are 3 different ways that the O-U-G-H sound can make. So we've got to think really carefully about those 3. And that's what we're going to focus on today. So the first activity you could try, it says draw lines to match each O-U-G-H word with the correct sound. So you've got 8 O-U-G-H words around the outside. You need to decide, do those words make the ow or off sound with those O-U-G-H. You can write it out like this or present it in your own way. But pause the video and have a go and your answer will come after. Here are your answers. Have a look and see how you did. Did you do as well as me? Have a go now at the next activity. For the next bit, it says put a tick in the boxes next to the O-U-G-H words that have an uff sound. So you need to read the words and then hear yourself say them. Do those words with the O-U-G-H make the uff sounds? Can you write down which ones it would be? Pause the video and have a go. Here are our answers. And the 3 words that make the uff sound with O-U-G-H were tough, rough, and enough. Well done if you managed to do that one. Let's have a look at the next activity. This time we're looking at words that link the O-U-G-H words and they rhyme. Can you find pairs of words that rhyme using the O-U-G-H sound? Pause the video and have a go. So here we go. We've got the word bow is linked with plough. Then we've got the word though is linked with dough. Brought is linked with ought. And borough is linked with thorough. Well done if you managed to find those rhyming pairs. Let's see. For this one, we've got to solve the clues to find the O-U-G-H words and spell them correctly. So, for instance, the first one is another word for considerate. So can you think of another word beginning with TH that uses the O-U-G-H sound that would be another word for considerate? And can you write it out and spell it correctly? You've got 4 there to try, and then we'll see your answers coming after. And here were your words. Another word for considerate was thoughtful. Another word for but was although. What pigs eat out of is a trough. And another word for nothing or nil is naught. So we can see the ough word sound was used there. And again, well done if you managed to get all of your spellings correct. For this activity, you fill in the gaps in the sentences below using the ough words in the box. So you've got a choice of 6 words and seeing which of those would fit into those sentences. Pause the video and have a go and make sure you're careful with your spelling. Here are our answers and how did we do? The first one was enough. Second one was ought. The third one was throughout. We had to be really careful. If you notice, that was the beginning of our sentence, so we should have written that down with a capital letter. And the final one was bought. Well done if you managed to get those. And that's the end of our spelling for today. And carrying on from last week, what we'd like you to try is your lesson 5 of The Street Child. And this is your final lesson because we're looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow, this Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.